Hello everyone, welcome back. I am Ujwala and welcome to the channel UM-SANS. Let us quickly learn about the structure of leaf. The main thing that whenever we observe any plant, we observe many parts. So first, if we see the detailed internal structure that is inside the soil, that is the structure known as a whole root system. It is beneath the soil surface level. Then after, at the upper portion if you observe, we may observe leaves and the stem portion. This portion together makes the whole shoot system that is just out of the soil. Today we are going to focus on the main structure of the leaf. So let us see what different parts are there in the whole leaf. So first, the leaf is always situated on the stem. Then after, one portion is there from where the leaf is being arise from the stem known as axil. Then after, as you can observe over here, the whole leaf is being connected with the stem. This green structure is known as petiole, supporting thing that connect leaf with the stem. Then after, if we talk about original leaf, at the base or the bottom portion is called leaf base. Then here you can see, as at the bottom there is a base, similarly there is a tip portion known as leaf tip. That whole tip portion is sometimes also called as the apex, if you observe. Then if we talk about this, the whole area of this leaf, that is the boundary portion of this leaf, is called the margin. Then comes the between portion, where the leaf is just drawing a simple line in the surface area, that is little bit outward proposed, and this is called midrib. As it is at the middle portion, it is called midrib. As you can see over here, there is a vein because the midrib is divided into small veins. Then after, this vein are also divided into further smaller capillary like structure known as venules. So this whole network forms the venation, and this is how the whole leaf blade is being formed. As you can see over here, all this structure combinedly, the whole portion of leaf prepare leaf blade. One more thing, that is sometimes simple spine like structures are there at the bottom portion from where the leaf is being arise from the stem. This simple structure is known as stipule. Sometimes it is harder, sometimes it is little soft. It is kind of spine, and this may be for the protection or for the other modification purpose. So this is how the whole leaf is being characterized. Thank you very much everyone. Keep supporting, keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.